Good morning. Well, it's our first night on board and we've got ice.
Oh my God,
Ice has formed.
I've never seen
on the boat.
ice on the boat.
Oh, it must have been one of the coldest nights of the year. So it's got little ice particles everywhere.
What is this?
And like the top of the water's frozen as well.
Oh
So
my gosh, look how shiny the pontoon is.
it's
It's
like
twinkling.
proper cold. The boat's full of condensation.
Oh,
And
wow. You made it through, mate.
but yeah. Right.
Wide Awake Club. Do you know what? Considering everything, that wasn't a bad night's sleep.
Wasn't a bad night's sleep.
No, listen to the birds.
Well, first night. And yeah, it's going okay. Did a bit of snoring. You woke me up.
Sorry, mate.
I was dreaming. Seriously, we had halloumi kebabs last night. And also halloumi for breakfast. So, major cheese dreams. Off for a shower now.
Sorry, Neil. All I could keep saying was Neil snoring. Wow, that's a nice start anyway, and it's beautiful. That sun is so warm.
Right. Thank you, the butlers, for getting me the compass. Oh, what's that say? In case of emergency. Oh look. Who's this?
Morning.
Who's this, kiddies?
How warm is it today, Neil?
Oh, it's about -3.
Oh, I
About
can't believe
-3
it.
today.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
So it's the coldest night of the year so far.
Well, one of.
Ditto with the Galago boathouse.
One of.
Oh my God.
One of the coldest nights.
Oh.
It's an unlocking art. Unlock. So I'm going to go onto deck. We got ice. It's icy, really icy. Just see the ice. We had the charcoal heater going till about 10 o'clock last night. It's great. But then it all gets a bit chilly. But the best thing is, these silk liners that we got from Vietnam. They are just brilliant. Aren't they?
Hugh Hefner Playboy sheets.
Yeah. But we didn't get the water last night, and all the taps are frozen, so we can't get a hot drink.
No, cup of tea.
Can we?
Oh,
Okay, not say anything, Debs.
I don't think I can yet. Oh my God.
Okay. Okay, Debs.
Okay, Neil.
Hello. Thanks for the cup of tea.
That's all right, mate.
Just have a cup of tea. Thank you very much.
Oh, dear four.
Day 4
On Galago.
was night 4, isn't it?
Night
Fourth
4.
night.
3 days, 4 nights. Not that we're counting,
Not we're counting.
but we might be. Yeah, it's been interesting.
Has it?
Yeah, I feel like I'm going cold turkey on luxuries.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's like, oh,
it's pretty confined, isn't it?
no dishwasher. Got to wash up quite a lot. No hot water.
Everything's magnified. Like, it's like everything's just like close and magnified. That's what
No
it
hot
feels
water.
like. Until you go
Mm.
out on deck.
What else haven't we got? No heating. But
Oh,
then we
yeah, we have. We've got the
this charcoal burner.
got the charcoal burner. You can't actually see it.
Well, the charcoal burner is just set off the carbon monoxide.
Yeah, we've got carbon monoxide.
So thank God we had that, else we'd probably be
That's
dead.
a little charcoal burner. Pretty neat.
What else am I noticing? Yeah, you notice your moods as well. I notice like how quickly my moods change. I don't know, like you say, it feels like everything's really magnified. But then when you get out of the boat and you're surrounded by the nature,
Yeah,
it's amazing.
it
Like
is.
watching those geese, those hundreds of geese fly over, and all the different ducks, and it's just magic.
When I got in the car to go into Emsworth yesterday, I was just thinking, oh, people give their right arm to be doing what we're doing.
Yeah, I know. I think I've just got to get used to it and find a place for stuff. I didn't realise how annoyed I get by untidiness and not having a place for everything, and that's just
Nor did I. Bloody hell.
I know. It's just like it just feels too chaotic otherwise.
Yeah, well, we have just done like a major packing at the flat and just into a little boat.
I never go to bed at 9:30. Rock and roll.
Yeah, so.
But I am really grateful. It's just going to be.
It's all right. It's pretty intense at the moment, but you're working as well.
Yeah.
And I'm fixing stuff and bugging each other.
No, you're not bugging me. It's just it's quite a small space, and I'm trying to do Zoom calls, and
I'm distracting you.
And you're like,
come and feed the ducks, Debs. Debs, look.
But to be fair, I'd rather be doing that as well. So I guess there's a bit of me wishing that I was on the boat, not having to think about work.
Yeah, probably wasn't the best idea doing full-time work. Come on, moving on to the boat.
Probably not. And having food pioneers as well. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, I just set up a project and work full-time for Arts Council and move on to the boat as well. And move out the flat. Yeah. Yeah.
Nothing by halves.
Nothing, no, it's fine.
Can't stop yawning.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Well, we had a lovely dinner. We're doing all right.
I know we are.
You make it sound like.
I'm just tired. It's like this morning I felt really bouncy and lively.
Yeah, the mornings are good.
And then just by the end of the day, it's been a long day.
It's like, out in the fresh air and these just boat life. It's tiring.
Dun, 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 dun. Boat life.
Boat life. Right, well, there we go. That's it.
Captured that moment.
Yeah. Oh, what's the date? It's about the 10th of March, isn't it?
9th. It was Dad's birthday yesterday, so it's the 9th.
It's the 9th of March, and it's at night time.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's funny that.
But not in the morning.
It's really dark.
Could be in the morning. Oh, the America's Cup starts tomorrow.
Oh.
Final, the America's Cup final. Anyway, I won't go on about that.